Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, June 22nd, 2025, we're going to break down the USDCAD pair, looking at both the latest news and the chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Recent news indicates some tension with U.S. involvement in Middle East conflict, which could introduce volatility. Canadian retail sales could also play a factor. Let's see how this is reflected in the charts. We'll be looking at the one-day, 1 hour and 15-minute candlestick charts to help provide perspective from several different points of view. Let's start with the one-day chart to get an overview of the longer-term trends. Looking at the daily chart, we can see some huge drops on single days, most noticeably around October 25th, 2024, November 15th, 2024, November 22nd, 2024, December 20th. 2024, and most recently January 10th, 2025, all of which quickly rebounded somewhat on the subsequent candles. There seems to be long-term resistance around 1.40. Let's take a look at some closer candles to see if we can determine what the next big price changes may be or look like. If we look at the hourly chart, we can see in early June the price consolidated around 1.37. A support level seems to have formed around 1.365. Given the news about potential U.S. involvement in the Middle East, any escalation could trigger a flight to safety, strengthening the U.S. dollar and potentially pushing USDCAD higher. Now let's switch to the 15-minute chart and focus on the most recent price action. On the 15-minute chart, the USDCAD looks like it's attempting to break out of a tight range, with small candles hovering closely around 1.37. This consolidation could signal an upcoming move. A break above 1.3705 could lead to a test of higher levels, while a drop below 1.368 could signal a move downwards. Keep an eye out for retail sales data from Canada. Better-than-expected figures could weaken the pair short-term. However, risk-off sentiment might overpower that. To recap, watch 1.365, 1.37, and 1.40. It is my guess that with the recent Middle East news, that we are likely to see a test of 1.40. That may occur with about 55% likelihood in the short term, within a week or so, but should the Middle East tensions escalate, that may quickly become more likely.